So summer is here, and you know what that means? Backyard barbecues, pool parties, and outdoor fun. But let's be real, nobody wants to spend hours mowing the lawn when they could be chilling with a cold drink. Well, what if I told you there's a robot that could take care of all that? Meet the A2500 RTK, the ultimate robotic lawn mower that gives you a perfectly trimmed lawn while you sit back and relax. Let's dive in. So right out of the box, you can tell this thing means business. Sleek design, powerful dual blades, and a charging station that doubles as a smart hub. Let's set it up and see what it can do. Now the installation is super easy. You just gotta build the pad like so. Put together the plug-in. Now we're gonna set up the RTK signal. And place it on the hub. And that's really it. Now as you could see here, this is the dual blade and the battery is in the back there, and it has big wheels to come up big humps as well. All you gotta do is put it in the charger and we're gonna connect it to our app. The top comes with the emergency stop button and 3 buttons to control it as well if you don't have your phone with you. The setup is super easy. All you gotta do is download the EcoVax app and click the scan the QR, and you're just gonna scan the QR code and you're good to go. You just follow the in-screen instructions, super easy, and you're basically done in 5 minutes. Here you're also connected to the Wi-Fi network. It's good for 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Now forget about those old school mowers that need boundary wires. This bad boy has the automated mapping and wire-free setup with RTK LEL's LiDAR enhanced navigation. It precisely maps your lawn without the need of physical wires. Just drop it in, scan with the app, and it creates a virtual mowing boundary. In comparison, the competitors, you need to control their machine using the app and walk it around your yard. But in this case, it just does it by itself, automatically. So within minutes, you are mowing. This means no complex installation, just set up, map, and mow. All right, let's power this thing on and see it in action. Would you look at that? It just starts rolling out, completely on its own. It's navigating the lawn with flawless precision, following a logical mowing pattern, instead of zigzagging randomly like other mowers. And of course in the app you can control it even more. I can manually adjust the cutting height right from the app, making it easy to switch between different lawn lengths, depending on the season or grass type. Now this yard is actually pretty challenging to do because it has a playground. The posts are kind of in the way. I also have my own DIY in-ground sprinklers. And let's see if this thing can actually move around them. And as you could see here, this is the IV 3D obstacle avoidance, and it's really doing a good job moving around the yard, even around the playground, the turtle sandbox, and even the rock pit that I have here. Now let's set up like an obstacle. I just put this plywood on top of my rock pit. And as you could see, it was able to go up it without any problems whatsoever. Now let's see it on slow-mo. And if you notice here, actually, it was able to even drive right onto the loose pebbles. That's pretty powerful, right? All right, now let's talk about power. The A2500 is built for speed and efficiency. Powered by a 32-volt energetic platform. It delivers 100 watt of cutting power and 3000 RPM. Dual blade speed, meaning it can cut through thick grass in a single pass with an adjustable cutting height from 3 to 9 centimeters, which is about 1 inches to 3.5 inches. So right now our grass is just starting to grow, and I want to cut it pretty short and put some fertilizers on it. So I'm cutting it at 1.2 inches right now. I've set it up in the app and it's able to actually cut it fairly well. The blades are super sharp and it's able to have that clean cut all the way through.
Now this thing covers 400 meters squared per hour. So even a big yard gets done in no time. Plus, with its super fast charging, it can mow for extended periods, automatically returning to charge and resuming right where you left off. No interruptions, just a perfectly maintained lawn. Now nobody likes those annoying strips of uncut grass along the edges. The A2500 has a zero edge cutting and 5 cm proximity blades, meaning it cuts right to the edge of your lawn. And thanks to the LEL's LiDAR enhanced RTK navigation, it follows flawless through edge mowing patterns, ensuring complete, even coverage every single time. Now this system also means your mower isn't guessing. It's planning every move to ensure perfect results. Now you're worried about obstacles? The A2500 is smarter than ever with the Horizon X5 AI chip and the 3D LiDAR sensors.
And in my honest opinion, this is really good. I can't emphasize enough how it was able to maneuver its way through my yard, even though there's so many complicated spots in this yard.
Now the A2500 isn't just a mower, it's a smart lawn care assistant. Through the app, you can customize mowing zones, set schedules, and adjust height and speed. Want it to mow at sunrise? Done. Want to block off a garden area? So easy using the app. Lawn care has never been this hands-free.
And I almost forgot, okay? We're just gonna do a little sound test here so that you guys can hear how quiet this thing is.
Rain or shine, the A2500 keeps going. It's weatherproof, meaning no interruptions even if the weather changes. And when the battery runs low, it automatically returns to charge, then resumes mowing where it left off. So your lawn stays perfect 24/7. So, who is this mower perfect for? I believe that all of us, we spend our time with our kids. Spending our time with our family is more important. So, for busy homeowners, smart home lovers, especially for the elderly users, and anyone who wants perfectly maintained lawn without lifting a finger, this is the best for you. Spend more time with your loved ones instead of spending time out there away from them. If you love automation, this is a game changer as well. Now, one of the highlights for me is the 32-volt energetic platform. This thing powers the mower with incredible efficiency and stability. It allows the A2500 to maintain high performance, cut through thick grass easily, and keep running longer without issues. Now let's talk about real-world experience. The mowing quality is top tier. Setup was super easy, and I love the smart app control. I also love how it has auto mapping, so you just have to click a button on your phone and you're good to go. The LEL's navigation makes mowing incredibly accurate as well, and the obstacle avoidance is the best I've tested on a robot mower. Well, what about any cons? If you have a super complex landscaping, you might need to tweak the mapping a bit first, but once it's dialed in, it's a dream. It still works. In my backyard, I have a playground. I also have a pad, a few trees in the back, a pond as well, and it was able to do my yard without any problem. All right, here's the deal. If you want to spend more time enjoying summer and being with your family and less time mowing, the A2500 is the perfect solution. It's fast, smart, and incredibly easy to set up. Click the link below to check it out and get your lawn summer ready today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace!